Anong mall po ang itatayo dyan at saang part? Let's answer this question. So sa previous video ko, na-mention ko na magkakaroon ng mall dito sa NGC. So saan nga ba? Itong video is the construction update of Northern Global City as of September 2025. So itong lote na katapat ng condo is actually the Northwind Main Street, which is the Paris, France-inspired commercial district here in NGC. And this is 15.9 hectares. So kung nakapunta ka na sa Uptown in BGC, yung size nun is 15.4 hectares. So imagine mo na lang na ganun siya kalaki. And aside from that, magkakaroon din tayo ng mall which is isa sa pinakamalaking mall in Bulacan. And located naman siya dito, malapit sa may station ng North to South Commuter Railway. So imagine mo, pagbaba mo, nasa NGC ka na, and malapit ka lang or nandito ka na kagad sa mall in NGC. So itong Northern Main Street is accessible via NLEX, and yung mall naman, which is hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung tawag niya, pero gagawin siya ni Megaworld. So isa siya sa Megaworld Lifestyle Mall. Accessible naman siya via Maria Socorro Road. So kung naghahanap ka ng investment in the rising BGC in Bulacan, send me a message today. We have our ongoing promo na 16,000 pesos per month in the first pre-selling condo here in NGC, which is 9 Central Park.